Hey y'all! Today we're in Meridian, Mississippi for the hubby's work, and I wanted to show y'all where we're staying. This is Benchmark RV Park. The reason I wanted to highlight this one is because it's literally just 5 minutes off of Interstate 20, and it's only 2 minutes off Highway 45. So if you're traveling this way, this is a great overnight stop. It's also close to several good restaurants. There's a Walmart here, and a nice park if you're going to be staying long enough to do that. It's also only about 17 miles from the popular Why Not Motorsports Park. Now, as you pull up, you'll stop here to check in. Inside the office area, they sell some basic RV supplies, and they have a few other things. Now, on the other side of the building is their one shower room, and they have a laundry room. Both of them are open 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. They have 33 sites here. They're all full hookup with 30-50 amp power, water, and sewer. All of the sites are on a concrete pad, and most of them have a picnic table. We stayed on site B9, and we had room to park the truck behind the camper and put the Subi in front of it. 27 of their sites are pull-throughs, making parking a breeze. They have a website, but you will need to call them to make a reservation. They do offer discounts, including Good Sam, and at the time of this video, they offered weekly and monthly discount rates. Thanks for watching today's video, y'all. Let us know if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.